Good morning, guys! Today is June 23 and we're on our way to Glorieta 2 Activity Center for the National Bookstore event. And I'm with my mom. Hey. So yes, guys, see you later! So we are now here at Glorieta 2 and we're on our way to Activity Center. So we are here at the Happy Space in Glorieta 2. At Burger King, we will just eat our brunch, breakfast and lunch. So after that, babalik kami sa baba, which is the Happy Space event. And yes, guys, maraming happening. So pwede pa kayong pumunta hanggang 25 siya ng June. And grabe, sobrang ganda, promise. And later, bibigyan ko kayo ng mga video. So, kain muna tayo, guys! So, we're on our way to my mom's office kasi half day lang siya nag-leave. So, yes, guys. And maybe babalik na lang ako Sunday. Sunday ako babalik, June 25 sa National Bookstore. And these are the things that I've got. Sorry, medyo makalat pa. And I'll be doing a haul for you guys. And yun, I'll be doing a haul. So, yun, guys. And buti na lang, nagpalit kami ni mama ng damit from bench. Bumili kami, tas on the spot, sinuot na lang namin. Tas binayaran namin kasi hindi bagay yung damit namin sa event. So, yeah. And I got this parang referee shirt. Referee shirt na may black sa sleeves and it is a crop top na gray and may black sa ganito. So, yan, guys. And I'ma get back to you later and bye! And we're here at my mom's room and wala si mama kasi may meeting siya. But I'm here. Yes. So, yon, maybe bababa muna ako just to get some frap or some coffee. Ewan ko. Basta. So, yon, samahan niyo muna ako, guys. And sorry for the lighting. And nga pala, guys, sa quality, I'm so sorry kasi hindi yung camera ko yung gamit. Phone ng mom ko yung gamit. So, I'm so sorry for that. So, yun, guys. Come with me. Bye! So, I'm here at food court with my mom. And we have an order. We have a order at Potato Corner. And I have some tawag dito, Starbucks and Jamaica. So, nandito na tayo sa bahay. Thank you guys for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to my channel. And before that, stay tuned to my next video because I'm gonna be doing a haul. I'm gonna be doing a haul for you guys tungkol sa nakuha natin sa National Bookstore. And yes guys, you can change your life by changing your attitude. Bye!